It is ironic that the Indonesian Sea is currently unlucky. At some point, it has become a dumping ground for garbage. I, Syamsul Arifin, invite all of you to see what has happened to the Indonesian Sea over the last few years.
President Joko Widodo is furious because Indonesia is the second-ranked country as a contributor of plastic waste to the sea in the world, or is one position below China as the first country that contributes plastic waste to the sea in the world. The Jambek Research Group published the result of their research on the fate of plastic waste in the oceans in a journal entitled Plastic Waste Input from Land into the Oceans. The data confirmed Indonesia's position at number 2 as a contributor plastic waste to the world oceans. China produces the largest amount of waste in the ocean, which is 262.9 million tons. Then there are Indonesia 187.2 million tons, and the Philippines 83.4 million tons, Vietnam 55.9 million tons, and Sri Lanka 14.6 million tons. The government also continues to remind that in 2016, the World Economic Forum cited the fact of plastic waste in the sea. Currently, there are more than 150 million tons of plastic in the Earth's water. That number increases by another 8 million tons every year. Imagine when the previous plastic has not been completely decomposed, new garbage has arrived. Danger and other threats that waste takes hundreds of years before it decomposes completely. In the process, the waste is broken down into tiny particles, spread across the water and unknowingly consumed by the animal in the oceans. The garbage continue to kill living things in the oceans, based on research published by the Secretariat of the Convention on Biological Diversity 2016. Waste in the ocean has endangered more than 800 species. Of the 800 species, 40% are marine mammal and the other 44% are seabird species. The data was later updated at the United Nations Ocean Conference in New York in 2017. The conference said plastic waste in the ocean has killed 1 million seabirds, 100,000 marine mammals, sea turtles, and largest amount of fish every year. The next fact of plastic waste in the ocean is that plastic waste particles, microplastic, do not only have a bad impact on marine biota. In the long run, humans will also be affected. This happens because humans consume fish and products from the sea. Fish or sea animals that have ingested microplastic will absorb the poisons, and this poison then passes to human.
From this news, we are as Indonesian society, especially young people, have an important role to play in changing the mindset of Indonesian people, not to let off. So that the ecosystem in our growing country remains good and maintained. Maybe the last we say, but when we say I'm Syamsul Arifin, say goodbye, salam.